Hi everyone, my name is Sada Cosmos, the founder of Website School and also Cosmos World. This is me here on the screen as you can see. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add category to your blog posts in any WordPress website. And after watching this video to the end, you'll be able to add category on your blog post in your WordPress website. But before we start, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel so as to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. Now this is the site we would like to add a category to our blog post. As you can see, this is our blog post and we don't have any category where we can categorize our blog post. Let me show you an example of another sites. You see, under blogs, I have categories on health, I have on poetry, and also on relationship. Whereby, if a user clicks on this, it takes that person to health related uh, blogs, which will show you. As you can see, we have 7 killer causes of high blood pressure, and also 7 reasons for low blood pressure, and so on and so forth. Would want to do that on this site. All you need to do is to log in our back end and then go to your posts. Under post, you go to categories, and once it's load, you quickly add the name you would want to. For this, I would like to add this to say website design, because I'll be posting blogs related to web design. And if I would like to add a description, you do that saying in this blog post I will be posting website design design blog, and then add category. So you see it has been added. I can also add another one related to, let me just say, health, and then also write a description and then click on add new. As you can see here on this section, you see the names. I have that of health, I have that of website design. That is how you can be able to add these categories on your website. Now, in order for me to create a submenu so that a user can be able to access this blog, these related categories on the blog section, all I need to do is to go back to my appearance and then click on menus. So once you click on menu, you quickly wait for it to open, and then you go to categories, view all. As you can see, I have the health, that of website and uncategorized, but I would like to go with the health and website design. All I need to do is to click on add menu, and once it has added successfully, just drag it to this site, ensure that it's not in the same level with that of the blog, and then after adding that, you click on save menu. So once you've saved menu, you go back to your home page on the website, and then kindly refresh this page. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you kindly do that now. So once you refresh this page, as you can see, under the blog section, there's a word drop down menu. I have that of health and also website design. that is how you can be able to add categories on your blog post. In order for you to be able to categorize this whenever you post a new blog, all you need to do is to what, go to your post, click on all posts, and then once it opens, you just select the particular post you want to edit. Let's say, for instance, I would like to edit this. Just click on quick edit, and then you simply select the category you want it to be. Like for here, I have health, poetry, and web design. So you quickly select it, and then you click on update. So this makes your blog to be categorized so that when a user logs in, he or she can be able to access it from that category. So it's how you can be able to categorize your blog in any WordPress website. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so as to get notification when I post a new video.